My old phone case has gotten pretty beat up, so I got a new one and I'm so excited because I love this brand as well. I've had this brand in the past, and one thing I love about it is that it has a 12-foot military grade drop test, basically, which means it's long lasting, because I am one of those people that has totally dropped my phone way too many times, and I love the color in there. Isn't that so pretty? And this is indoors with studio lights. You know, when it's outside, it's just gonna sparkle. Plus it has the little stand here, which is really nice. You can also use it with your finger. This also lets you charge your phone without removing the case if you have one of the magnetic chargers. Really simple. When you get this, line it up and then kind of just snaps right on in. Make sure it's all the way in and you are set. So it's a nice snug fit around it. Love these cases. And this one's super cool. I just love that it has the sparkles, has the magnetic magic stand to it as well. So if I want to be like reading something, I can have it tilted, and this thing is amazing. You're gonna love it too.